Astrological significance of Masi Maham. What is Masi Maham? The star Magha is one among the 27 stars of constellations. It occurs every month, but in the Tamil month of Masi, between February 14 and March 15, when the full moon aligns with the star Magha in the sign Leo, it is called Masi Magha. This is celebrated every 12 years as Mahamagam, when Jupiter along with the moon is in the sign Leo. The importance of Masi Magam. Magha star is said to be the birth star of kings and royal personages. When the moon comes in alignment with this star on the full moon day of Masi Magam, a heavenly consciousness pervades the earth. It is believed that the celestial beings and Pitrus come to the earth in their astral forms on this day and take a holy dip in the sacred waters to wash away their sins as well as the sins of humanity. Holy rivers have more powers on this day, and hence millions of pilgrims gather at places like Kumbakonam to take a dip in the holy wells. Why Tarpanam is important during Masi Magham Day. Long ago, there was a king called Vallala in Tiruvannamalai. The king had no progeny and felt very bad that he would leave no descendants to perform his last rites. Lord Shiva appeared in front of the king in the form of a small boy. He would take the personal responsibility of performing his last rites and also the Shraddha ceremonies. To fulfill his word, the Lord appeared on one day when the king departed on the day of Masi Magam and performed the last rites of the king. Shiva also assured that those individuals who take a holy dip on this day would attain liberation with his blessings. Astrologically, the moon will be in the star ruled by Ketu, and the deity of the star is Pitrus. So, praying for ancestors' moksha and liberating them and seeking their blessings would be easier on this day. Why a holy dip is important during Masi Magam. Once Varuna, the rain god, was afflicted by Brahmahatti dosha, because of which he was tied and thrown into the deep sea for the sin he incurred. Because of his absence, there was no rain, and drought set in. Sages and demigods reached out to Shiva for a solution. Meanwhile, in the deep sea, Varuna was regretting his sinful act and was seeking forgiveness. Shiva pardoned Varuna and told him to ask for a boon. Varuna told Shiva that people who come and have a holy dip in the ocean or any sacred water bodies should get relieved from their sins. The boon was granted by Shiva, and that day happened to be Masi Magha Day. Astrological significance. During this event, the sun will be in Aquarius and the moon will be in Leo. Whichever sign the sun transits, it will trigger the energy of that sign. On this day, the sun will be in the star Satabisha, the star of healing. The star is ruled by Rahu, and its deity is Varuna, one who controls the water element. The sun triggers the healing property of the water element on this day. Hence, having the holy dip to get rid of one's sins is considered important on this day. In 2021, all the planets except the moon will be hemmed between Rahu and Ketu. Hence, this is considered important to perform remedy for Kala Sarpa dosha. Scientific significance. There are 6 seasonal cycles, and during the month of Masi, the new cycle begins. There will be a huge shift in the water bodies. This cycle triggers the healing property in the water bodies like wells, lakes, and oceans. When a person has a holy dip during Masi Maham Day in the sacred water bodies or ocean, it helps the person to adapt and give immunity against various ailments that occur during the other seasons. This also brings an emotional shift which will help one to become positive and progress well in life. Let's look at the benefits of Maham rituals and sacred dip. On this day, a holy dip in sacred water is considered beneficial. Individuals get the blessings of Mahastar, which symbolizes power, consciousness, and magnanimity. Since Mahastar is related to Pitrus or ancestors, a holy dip on this day can win their blessings and remove Pitru dosha. The do's: worship Shiva by chanting his mantra. Perform Tarpanam for ancestors if possible near water bodies. If health permits, fast. Do food feeding and donate water. Use auspicious words. Pray for wealth consciousness to Lord Shiva. Be in silence for an hour. Seek forgiveness for the known and unknown acts. Feed animals and birds. The don'ts: do not harm others through words, actions, or thoughts. Do not drink alcohol or consume non-vegetarian food. Do not waste food and water.